have learned how to find the volume of a cylinder. You know that you have to multiply pi times the radius squared times the height. You've also learned that if they give you the diameter instead of the radius, you're able to figure that out because the radius is just half the diameter. All right, now we're going to look at some problems where you do have to find the volume of cylinder, but that's not everything. If you look at example 3 on page 591, it talks about a metal paperweight. All right, so if we just think of a cylindrical object, okay, all right, that's kind of heavy, that sits on someone's desk just to keep the papers down. So we have this metal paperweight. There's the cylinder. And we have a height of 1.5 inches. All right, so that's nice that they told us that. And the diameter of 2 inches. Okay, so here we go again. All right, they give us the diameter of 2 inches. So we got to be careful there. Now, if we want to find the volume of that object, we have to once again fill in our formula, pi r squared h. So I know that h is 1.5. I know that pi is 3.14. I don't know what r is. So diameter is 2. So half of 2 would be 1. So the radius then would be 1. And I've got to do 1 squared, which is actually very easy to do. Okay, so we're in business. So I've got 3.14 times 1 squared. Well, 1 squared, 1 times 1 is 1. And 3.14 times 1 is just 3.14. So now I do 3.14 times 1.5, and I get 4.71. Now, the problem said to round to the nearest tenth, so I need to really write it as 4.7. The problem is we're not done. We've got 4.7, but the problem said, how much does the paperweight weigh if 1 square inch or 1 cubic inch weighs 1.8 ounces? So 1 cubic inch weighs 1.8 ounces, but I have 4.7 cubic inches. So that means I need to take my 4.7, and remember this was cubic inches, and I need to multiply that now by 1.8 because each cubic inch is 1.8 ounces. And after I do that multiplication, I get 8.46. So the paperweight weighs about 8.46, or it's approximately equal to 8.5 ounces. So please always read very carefully. What is the question asking you? In this case, it wasn't just asking you about the volume. It was asking you how much something weighed. But in order to figure out how much it weighed, you had to find the volume in the process. Okay? There's another got it in the middle of page 591. Go ahead and try that one.